Mobile ordering is also being widely rolled out throughout Universal Orlando Resort. They had already begun the process, but now it's at a lot more venues. So I'm going to walk you through how it works. So you start on this side menu here, order food and drinks. It takes you to the list of venues. I'm going to choose Mel's Drive-In here. And then for this example, I'm going to order chicken fingers combo. So you have all of your options here. You can choose a side if you don't want french fries. You can add toppings like Oreo crumbs. This is for the shake, of course. So I'm going to get a large swirl. And then you press add to order. It lets you know the items in your cart. You can continue shopping for other members of your party. They even have the souvenir cups here. That's awesome. And then you can press proceed to cart. You've got your order including tax. Unfortunately, there's not any annual pass discounts yet. And then you press checkout. And once you're there at the venue, you press prepare my order. At some venues, they seat you and let you know all this, and then they might ask for the last few digits of your order number. And then once your order is ready, they bring it out to you. You actually remove the items from the tray yourself to keep it more clean. And then some venues like Voodoo Donuts, they even send you a push notification when your order is ready, and they find you that way. But either way, you get to enjoy your meal, and you get to order contactlessly, which is important right now.